welcome to Retro Phone Show. Now if you like rare or retro mobile phones, and this is definitely the channel for you. Today we're going to be having a look at the Lobster 700 TV, also known as the HTC Monet. So what are we waiting for? Here we go! Here we have the Lobster 700 TV, also known as the HTC Monet, and this was released back in 2006. First of all, we'll have a look at the phone itself, and then we'll have a look at the ringtones and the camera and whatnot. But first of all, let's have a look at the contents. We could go with this phone first. First of all, we have the charger. I'm not too sure if this is the original charger, but it fits it. It charges it up. And this is the charger to come with when I purchased it. Show the end. Yeah. Then we have the original headphones. These are the original ones, I believe. And you need these headphones if you want to listen to the radio, because this phone have actually got DAB, the digital radio, and there's also a TV mobile as well. But I don't think you'll be able to use the TV anymore, because it's the old analog one, I believe. Then we have the battery, the original battery, all works fine. Happy days, we'll need that in a minute. Then let's have a look at the manual. All the good information. Yeah. If anybody ever wants me to show them the manual in more detail, just let me know. Yeah. There's the manual. Here's the phone itself before we put the battery in it. Here's the front. There's a little bit of paint that wore off here, but it's not broken, I think. Just a bit of paint that wore off. There's a TV button there to record, I think. I don't know. It's got the TV button there. On the side here we have the volume rocker. On the top here we have the power button for on and off. This side here we have a dedicated camera button. The bottom here we have the charging port, and we have the earphone jack right there. On the back here we have the camera, and the Virgin Mobile logo. This phone is actually locked to the Virgin network. See there, it says DAB digital radio, or digital DAB radio. It picks up all the digital DAB radio stations fine. Very good, like. But like I said, the TV function, it doesn't work no more because this is the old analog TV systems on here, and obviously now we're on the digital preview channels, so this will no longer work with the video, the TV, but everything else will work. Just take this back cover off. Yeah. This is where the memory card, the SIM card goes, and the memory card underneath that. Right, let's get the battery. Hang on, let's put that there a minute. Need to get the battery. Showed you the battery earlier. This one's working fine. A good little battery. So we plonk him in there. If we pull this little tab back, pull back, the battery will lock in place, and let it go, and the battery's locked in. Yeah. We put this back in. I'm not going to be able to rig it because I haven't got a SIM card in here. I haven't got an active Virgin SIM card, so I'm not going to be able to ring it anyway. Let's power him on. Virgin Mobile. This will stay on here for a few seconds, and then he'll boot up in a minute. Yeah, we don't need a SIM card in here to activate the menu. Back. Yeah, let me show in a full battery. TV's off at the moment. Got all the symbols up top there, as you can see. Right then, so if we press start, we get onto the menu. We have TV and radio, Internet Explorer, camera. I'll show the camera in a minute. Obviously, like I said, the radio works because I've tried it. You've got to have the headphones on in it, like to work. To show you, you'll come up, insert headphones, headset. See, but I've tried that and it works fine. Obviously, the TV, I've tried the TV, but that won't work anymore because it's like I said, it's old. This one works on the old analog TV, so it's not going to work. The TV's not going to work, like. But the radio works fine. Like internet, cameras, I'll show you in a minute. Media files, sync. Right, let's have a look at the camera. Yeah, it's a camera. Remember, this phone was made in 2006, so the camera's not bad for the phone in 2006. I might press more, and we'll have more menu come up. No, hang on. Back. More, you are. Now we have games. Let's try the games out, see what games we got on here. We have Bubble Breaker and Solitaire. Not really interested in them, but they're alright. They're better than nothing. Voice notes. We have pictures and things. I'll show them now in a minute. The pictures. A couple of pictures on here. Original ones. Right, just show the pictures. them. Right. So why not show all these now? These are the original pictures, I believe, will come on here when you buy it, when you add a new like. There's just a couple, there's not many on there. Just a couple. Don't know what that one is there. Oh, that one is just something else. Let's go back onto there so I can get that off. Right. That's like a little video thing. I don't know what the hell that's supposed to be, but right, on to more. We should have some more icons. We have settings, video recorder, and all that good stuff. Right, let's try settings, see what we have on here. Oop. Phone, sounds, profiles, home screen, security, just the normal stuff. What we got on sounds? We'll try the ringtones in a minute. I'll show the ringtones in a minute. And then we have some more stuff as well. About. So look at that. Give us the information about it. Maybe we see that. Go pause on that if you want to check it out. Right then, let's have a look at raw files. Normal. Right, just try these ringtones then. We have loud, increasing ring, vibrate, ring, right, go back. Just do sounds. Right, just try the ringtones then. Here we go, enjoy. Let's start from this vibrate. We'll start on vibrate and end on vibrate. That's none. You see it, yeah. vibrate again. So that's all done. Then we have reminders, emails, all different settings for different ringtones you want for different things. Let me just press the button here. See, you will need to connect the headphones to the channel on the menu. I'll bother with that anyway. And there you are. That is the Lobster 700 TV, also known as the HTC Monet. And this was released back in 2006. So there you are. Here's the back of it, like I showed you. It was a proper TV phone back in the day. It is a Windows mobile, as you can see. And I believe these are rare these days, a little bit rare. So, as I said, this is not the damage here, just the paint have come off. So, other than that, it's in pretty good condition. I had this pretty cheap. I believe this cost me about £12. And like I said, it come with the manual, the charger. I'm not too sure if it's original or the charger. If anybody can tell me if it's the original one, I think it is, but I'm not 100% sure. It come with the charger, the original headphones, and the manual as well. So it's not bad, not bad, not bad. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. And I'll be back pretty soon with another video. But until then, thank you very much. And bye.